Hey, this is Jorge. I go by George, and this is how cloud can be used to facilitate data management in a organization. My voice will not be going with the uh, video or the slides. It's not going to be paired. This is just going to be an information of the process and what I researched and what I saw. At any time, you can pause the video to kind of further read each slide. And the slides are pertaining to my paper um, for this class, 4307, Knowledge Management Tools and Technologies for Professor Dr. Merlot. What I was investigating, or what I analyzed, I should say, is um, how cloud, in particular Amazon Web Services, how it can help with data management and knowledge management. Um, I took uh, it took me quite some time to figure out what type of organization to choose, but I chose kind of like a police department, and to be more specific, I chose a police department down in South Africa, which they were doing knowledge management and or data management the old school way, pen and paper, which there's really nothing wrong with that. But the focus was how can cloud help? And in that particular scenario, they were able to see the see what the problem was, right? They analyzed their process or knowledge audit, and they figured that there was a lot of issues, especially whenever somebody else needed that information for a case. Um, People couldn't go to the locations, nobody was there, so there was a lot of cases being thrown out and a lot of bad guys not being sent to jail. So they figured, what can computing, or in this case, cloud, do for us? And there is quite a few different journal entries that talked about um, cloud and organizations, but very few on um, police departments or public sector organizations. And, with um, knowledge, it's basically the know how, right? The experience, the insight, the understanding of the information, gathering it, um, um, being able to access it at any place, any time. With solutions like Amazon Web Services, who offer a tremendous amount of solutions and services for um, government in particular, they actually have a government site or a section that help out with this type of stuff. They're able to better help organizations such as that, you know, with um, with all the aspects of data management and knowledge management from the very beginning of auditing and addressing certain um, issues that you might be having with the current system or not having a system at all, like the African police or South African police services had. So there is definitely a lot of tools out there that can be used, um, and a lot of issues with tackling data management. And cloud definitely does help with this type of stuff. So I recommend you guys kind of pause the video and read. Have a good one.